Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can list or dropship products from CJ Dropshipping to eBay. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can list products, everything you need to know about how you can start using like CJ dropshipping on eBay. Okay, so the reason why a lot of people use CJ dropshipping is because of cheap prices, like cheap, and also like fast shipping time. Okay, I'm going to click here on delivery time, and as you can see, it's way faster than other competitors. Like I am using AliExpress to dropship on eBay, but the shipping time is always like a problem with AliExpress. Like there are some suppliers you have really to contact them every time you place an order on their store. You have to contact them and tell them, hi, please ship the product as soon as possible. If you don't do that, they are not going even to care, like most of the time. Okay, I don't know why, but you know, like some sellers are just like that. You can't really control that, so you will have to contact them, especially if the product is not very popular, like only like a few suppliers on AliExpress have that product. You will have to contact them and explain to them that you want the item as soon as possible so that you can ship the item. Okay, so the reason why CJ dropshipping is better is because of the shipping time, and also you don't have a problem with handling time. Okay, so CJ dropshipping, usually they ship the product within 1 day to 2 days. Okay, sometimes they ship the product immediately, like the moment someone places an order on your eBay store. Like CJ dropshipping, if you don't know, that does everything automatically, so you don't really have to do anything. You will have to connect, by the way, CJ dropshipping to your eBay so that you can give access to CJ dropshipping to have information of the buyer, like the address and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started right now. Okay, now before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. Let's get started right now. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, first you will have to create an account on CJ dropshipping. If you haven't done that already, just search for CJ dropshipping and you will have to just create an account. You can create an account using your Google account, or you can use Facebook to create an account on CJ. Okay, first thing you need to do, guys, is to create an account, and after that you want to click here where it says authorization. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can find here, just scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find authorization. Okay, so where you can like connect your eBay to your so that you can connect your eBay. As you can see here, this icon here, just click on it. It's called authorization. Okay, just click on it and then you will be able to connect your eBay. As you can see here, just click on eBay and that's it. Okay, it will take you guys directly to this page. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back. It seems like I made a mistake here. Okay, click on add store. Okay, so you will have to click here on add store so that you can connect your eBay to CJ dropshipping. That's exactly what you need to do right now. As you can see, you haven't authorized any. Now it says for me here authorization success because I already connected this eBay account to this store. But for you, you will have to scroll down at the very bottom left and click on give access or grant access, something like give access to CJ so that you can you will be able to connect your eBay to CJ. Okay, now after that you will have this authorization success. Now what you guys need to do is to start listing products on your eBay so that you can start getting sales. Okay, that's all you need to do, guys. Now you want to search for random products. I'm going to search here for makeup, for example. Okay, this is just an example. Now after that, I am going, for example, to list this product on my eBay store. Now what I do, my strategy is I always go to eBay and see what other sellers are selling. Now I see their sold items and they just try to find the exact same item on CJ. That's exactly what I do. Okay, I always try to find sellers that have successful items, and I try to find those exact items on CJ dropshipping so that I can list the exact same items because they are proven to work on eBay. People are interested in the products on eBay, so I always search for what works. That's exactly what I do. Okay, so I'm going to search here. I'm going to list, for example, this product. As you can see, now to list this product to your eBay store, easy. By the way, before you can start listing products on your eBay, make sure you add your own bank details. Make sure you connect your Pioneer to eBay. If you live outside of US or UK, you will have to connect your Pioneer account. Okay, that's the first step, because it's not going to allow you guys to list products into your eBay store if you haven't set up your eBay account. Okay, for example, if you haven't added your bank account to your eBay, so you will have to click here on selling and click on payments, and then you will be able to add your bank details and stuff like that, so that you can start selling on eBay. Okay, this applies even if you don't use CJ dropshipping. If you are just trying to dropship manually from AliExpress, you will have to connect your eBay like your bank details and payout like method. Okay, so after you do that, guys, you want to scroll down and click here on list. Okay, so after, guys, you click on list, here you will be able to see your eBay store. Now I already connected two stores here, which is my Shopify store and my eBay store. Okay, I'm going to select here my eBay because I want to list this product on my eBay store. Now listing site, I'm going to set it to US. Okay, I'm going to add their US. I'm going to select US. Okay, here's the title. You can also make some changes to the title if you don't like the title on CJ dropshipping. You can, if you can make it better, you can just change the title. Also here, the select category, the category is this. Okay, it's the correct category. Choose the clothing, shoes, accessories. You get clothing, choke here the clothes. Okay, so here it says manage payments or PayPal. Now as you can see, payment method eBay managed payment is adjusted. Products listing my file. So when you try to list a product, you will have to connect your eBay to eBay manage payments, because it's like a new payment method in order to receive payouts. That's if you live outside of United States. If you live in United States, you will be able to receive payouts using your bank account. Okay, so here you want to scroll down and you want to add tags. Tags is like tags that are related to the product. For example, makeup. Okay, brushes, for something like brushes. Okay, now the brand, you can also make changes to the brand if you want to select another brand here that has something like that is related to the product. Okay, if the brand, for example, is, let's say, Tay, as you can see, or unbranded. I always select unbranded because I don't have to deal with copyright things, you know. I always go with unbranded. After that, you want to click on list it now. Okay, so after, guys, you click on list it now, this product is going to be listed into your eBay store. Now to find that product, just to go to your eBay store here, click on your store username here, and then you will be able to see the product. Now if someone purchases that item, you will have to like add the money to your CG. Now you don't have to worry about this right now. You just need to drive traffic to your eBay store. Like, you don't have really to promote anything. You can use promoted listing on your eBay. When you are on your eBay, just go to your my products and click on edit, and you will be able to promote your listing inside eBay. Of course, it's not important. It's not the most important thing. That's I just do that most of the time, because I notice a high I increase very I increase the sales. Okay, so that's exactly what the purpose of promoted listing on eBay is. The increased sales from like let's say like 20% to 50% increase in sales when you are using promoted listings. Okay, you can do that. If you don't know, guys, how to promote listings on eBay, you just go to YouTube and search for that, and you will find a lot of videos showing you how you can promote your listing on eBay. Okay, now after you receive a sale, you will be able to find that here. As you can see, it says my products. You will be able to find it here, or my orders. Okay, and then you will be able to add the money to CG so that they can use money on future orders. Okay, that CG will ship the products automatically to the customer. Okay, so that's exactly why you need to add money to CG so that they can use the money to purchase these items, to send them to your customers, and then you take the money from your eBay. Okay, you can either withdraw money to your bank or Pioneer account. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, there is something you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I have been doing this for a very long time. So drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.